Hello, this is Pramila back again with a new topic on alphabetical order. Yes, alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? Any guesses? Alphabetical order is ABC order. In English, we have alphabets from A to Z, which is in order. Like after A comes B, and after B comes C, after C comes D. This is the order which we follow from A to Z. Putting objects from A to Z is known as alphabetical order. For example, in the picture, you can see ant, bat, cup, and dog. When you check the first letter of the object, ant starts with A, bat starts with B, cup starts with C, and dog starts with D. All these items are in alphabetical order A, B, C, D. Now I have something like pen, cake, apple, mango. But when you see to it, are they in alphabetical order? No. Here P comes ahead, then comes C, A, and M. These objects are not in alphabetical order. So to put them in alphabetical order, I have to know A to Z. When I know A to Z, that time I can put these objects to alphabetical order. The starting alphabet is A. With A I have apple. The second letter is B, but I don't have any object here. So I'll go ahead C. C I have cake. Further D I do not have any object. I'll keep on counting till I get the next letter and with which I have the objects with me. The third one is M, mango, and then comes the pen. Now these are in alphabetical order. You can see them in alphabetical order. Here I have fish, frog, fan, flask. All these objects begin with F. The first letter of this object is F. Now you will be confused. Like if all the objects start with F, what do I do? It's simple. Strike off all the F and then concentrate on the second letter. Concentrate on the second letter. Here, fan begin. Fan has A in it. The second letter of fan is A. So, I'll get the fan ahead. After that comes fish. Then I have flask. And then I have frog. When your first letter is same, you have to just simply cross it out and concentrate on the second letter. You have to concentrate on the second letter. Here I have some names of the flower which are not in alphabetical order and I have to put them in alphabetical order. Lotus, tulip, rose, sunflower, pansy and dahlia. I will put them into alphabetical order. The first one will be dahlia. Second one is lotus. Third is pansy. Fourth is rose. Fifth is sunflower. And sixth is tulip. Now you can see the first letter is all in alphabetical order. Here when you read, I have panda, parrot, peacock, puppy, penguin, pigeon, pelican and panther. All these objects begin with letter P. I have all the objects that begin with letter P. There are some objects which have the second letter common. If the second letter is also common, you have to just strike that off and concentrate on third letter. And if the third letter is also same, you have to strike it and you have to concentrate on the fourth letter. Let's see the example. Like panda and panther have PAN common. So I would strike pan and then I will concentrate on the fourth letter D and T. As D comes ahead, so panda will be first and then comes the panther. Panda, panther. After that again I will check PA. I have anything more with PA? Yes, I have parrot. So you can take parrot. Now anything more with PA? No. PE, PE and PE. I have more objects with PE. Peacock, penguin, pelican, PE and PE. So I will strike off PE and concentrate on the third alphabet, third letter, A, N and L. As peacock is having A in it, so the first one will be peacock and then it will be pelican and penguin. Peacock, pelican, penguin. I have more too. Pigeon and puppy left. PI and PU. I comes before U, so I will take pigeon and then puppy. In this way, we have learned about alphabetical order today. I hope you all have enjoyed the lecture and you will share your reviews about the video on my channel, and I hope you all will subscribe my channel and give me a good comments over it. Waiting for your comments and your subscriptions. Thank you.